In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Figma Prototype. Adding video to your prototype can make interactions feel more realistic, help stakeholders understand motion and timing, and bring your designs closer to the final product. We'll keep this simple and clear so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, in the right-hand sidebar, look for the Fill section. This is where you control the visual fill for a selected frame, shape, or component. Click the plus icon next to Fill. That plus button adds a new fill layer, which you can then change from a standard color to other types of media. If you don't see the fill panel, make sure you're looking at a layer that supports fills, like a rectangle or a frame, so the fill controls are available on the right. Next, click the video icon to switch the fill type from a color or image to a video fill. In Figma, this icon changes the media type for that fill slot. Once you choose video, Figma prepares the controls you'll use to bring in a file. Typically, after switching to video, you'll be prompted to add your media, and that's where you'd browse for a file or reference a source, depending on what's supported for your plan. Video fills can then be previewed in present mode, and they often include basic playback options like autoplay, loop, and mute, so your prototype behaves the way you need in user tests and walkthroughs. At this point, you may see an upgrade prompt. Figma requires a paid plan to add video directly to a fill, and if your current workspace is on a free tier, you'll need to upgrade to unlock this capability. The message is there to let you know that the feature is available, but it's behind a plan that supports media fills. If you or your team manages billing, this is usually a quick account change. If not, it's helpful to share why video matters for your prototype, such as validating motion concepts or demonstrating product education flows, so decision makers understand the value. Once your plan supports video fills, the flow you just saw becomes straightforward. Add a fill with the plus icon, switch it to video, and then bring in your clip. Keep your video dimensions and file size reasonable for smoother playback in the browser, and consider short, loopable segments for the most seamless effect. That's it. Click the plus icon in Fill, click the video icon, and be aware you'll need an upgrade to add the actual video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create richer, more realistic prototypes in Figma.